Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn statistics for beginners. Start with the basics, focusing on descriptive statistics. Grasping concepts like averages, spread, and data visualization is crucial. Then, move to inferential statistics, understanding how to make predictions from samples. Consistent practice with diverse datasets will build your confidence and intuition. Remember, statistics is about understanding data, not just memorizing formulas. Begin by mastering descriptive statistics, which helps summarize and describe data. Understand measures of central tendency like the mean, median, and mode, and measures of variability such as standard deviation. Next, explore probability, including concepts like independent events and conditional probability. Finally, learn about common distributions, especially the normal distribution, which is fundamental to many statistical tests. Applying what you learn is key. Start with small, simple datasets and gradually increase complexity. Many free online platforms offer interactive exercises and projects that reinforce concepts. Consider using a spreadsheet program for initial calculations before moving to more advanced software. Regular practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes daily, will significantly improve your retention and problem-solving skills. Once comfortable with the fundamentals, venture into inferential statistics. Learn about hypothesis testing to draw conclusions about populations from samples, and explore regression analysis to model relationships between variables. These advanced topics open doors to data science and machine learning. Continuous learning through books, articles, and online communities will keep your skills sharp and relevant in this ever-evolving field.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.